friends, it's Kelly back with another layout for Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. And today is day 10, and I just showed you the sketch that we would be working with today. I am using this is a page kit that I had created. I'm back to my page kits again, and most of these are they're Echo Park and Simple Stories, and um, just trying to decide how I want to lay this out. This is a very unique sketch, and I enjoyed working with it. It was just different for me. It took me a little while to figure out how I wanted things. And my only regret is I wish I would have printed the photos a little bit smaller so I had a little more room for embellishing on the sides. But it was okay. And as per usual, I did not uh, feel like that was adhered straight down. I mean, it wasn't straight, and I wasn't centered. So I bit my 12 by 12 paper in half, just a tiny little crease so I could see where the center was, and then use that as a guide. And gonna back these two photos of my adorable grandson on this orange paper for a little contrast against that dark navy background. And I love these pictures of him with this big old smile. He has a smile that would light up a whole room for real. And I'm going to go ahead and distress my edges. And I had more pattern paper with this kit, and I thought, well, why don't we just add one more layer? Why not, right? And so I added this little plaid, and I liked that it brought in the orange a little more, because it kind of felt like that orange was just kind of like, bam, there's some orange. Although there was orange in the gray star dot paper, it just wasn't enough for my liking. So I'm trying to use these frames because I bought a whole slew of them, and I blame Janet at RTS for that. Not really. I love the frames, but I bought a bunch, and I'm trying to use them. They're from 49 Market, but just couldn't seem to make them work. And like I said, I wish I would have made my photos a little bit smaller. I feel like it would have worked better. These were 4x6 photos, which it turned out fine. It was just a little harder to work with the embellishing. And so I scooted the photo I scooted the photo in a little bit more to see if that would help, and it did a little bit, but it didn't make too big of a difference. Just not a lot of room for me to embellish over there, which it probably is. It's just I like a lot of embellishments, and I just couldn't put as many as I wanted over there. So I'm going through the items that I had in this kit and trying to figure out how I want to lay this out, and wanted to use that banner piece, and I thought it would be a good way to kind of bridge the gap of the pattern paper between the two photos, but it just didn't look right to me, so I didn't go with that. And in the sketch had some stars for embellishments, and just so happened that I had a whole lot of stars with this page kit, and trying to get some of those used up. And so I have these textured, they're kind of like a corduroy textured star that I got from AliExpress. And I'm trying to, because I have a whole ton of those, and I'm trying to get those used in layouts as much as possible as well. So if you are following along with the 30 days of sketches, um, you will find the playlist below for all the other ladies and gentlemen who are participating in this challenge, and so much fun. There's also some people on Instagram, and those links are below as well, who are, well, actually, it's not a link. I'm sorry, I lied. That's a different challenge. This one is just a playlist, so you can find the playlist in the description box below. I don't know if you could tell from my throat, but I've had a sinus infection, which has turned into a respiratory infection. So I sound very, I feel like was talking very deeply. But I'm on the mend. It just seems like every time around this time of year, this is what happens. And it doesn't surprise me anymore because I know once my allergies start getting crazy, then a trip to the doctor is not far behind. So I do end up, after this video is over here in just a minute, you'll see in the close-ups that I added a camera element and the date, which was 2020. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Please consider giving me a like and subscribe. Bye-bye.